In case any of you were wondering, I did use a Dyson V11. It is a cordless stick vacuum. It is fantastic for getting quick little projects done. If you have any questions about Dysons, feel free to comment below and I will answer them the best I can. A couple things you may notice in this next part is I am wearing rubber gloves, not only because it is coronavirus season, but the rubber of the glove does help be able to collect more dirt, debris, and dog hair versus just being able to suck it out with a vacuum. I'm also putting a little pressure down on the springs just so that my hand can get down there further and I can drag all that dirt and debris out to be able to vacuum it up here in a second. There's no real right or wrong way on how to vacuum a cushion. Just something to keep in mind is once you've vacuumed the sides, you don't want to put it back on the ground so that it can collect more dust and debris that may be on the floor. So just keep that in mind.